बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम, अम्मा बाद। क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फ़िल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। व मिन आयातिही अन खलक़लकुम मिन अनफुसिकुम अज़वाजा लितस्कुनू इलैहा व जअल बैनकुम मवद्दह व रहमा। क़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अन्निकाहु मिन सुन्नती मन राग़िब अन सुन्नती फ़लैसा मिन्नी। ऐज़न क़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अन्निकाहु निस्फ़ुल ईमान। ऐज़न क़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम खैरुकुम खैरुकुम लिअहलिही अना खैरुकुम लिअहली। सदक़ल्लाहु मौलानल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका मिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। सल्लु अला नबी। नबी की ज़ात पर दुरूद पढ़ें। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आले सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व बारिक व सल्लम व सल्लि अलैहि। रब्बिश रहली सदरी व यस्सिरली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। सुब्हानका ला इल्मा लना इल्ला मा अल्लमतना innaka antal alimul hakim. My most respected brothers and elders and in Islam, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today, what topic I am covering, if we pay the right of what topic I am covering, we will complete our iman. This is about marriage life. I quoted Ayat Mubarakah, simple meaning. From the token, from the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, among you, we created wife, husband, zawj, has both meaning. Why? What's the purpose? Why we created man and woman? Quran says, "Litaskunu ilayha." Husband derive peace of mind and pleasure from the wife, and wife, mashallah, enjoy the peace and pleasure for the husband, and peaceful life. Subhanallah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed both of them with love to each other. Hadith Pak I quoted, An-nikahu min sunnati. The marriage is my sunnah. Who want to shun away, who don't want to marry, he is not among us. It means he is not believing in me. Other hadith se Pak, an-nikahu nisful iman. Marriage complete the iman. This is half iman. If you are a young man, you are eligible for marriage, you should marry. It will save your iman and complete the iman and faith. And what is the faith? Iman. We are so blessed. At this moment, we are all Muslim. This is iman. And iman is the price of Jannah. The person don't have iman, in La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, and all other ingredients of iman cannot enter Jannah at all. So I always tell my audience, please, whenever we think I am Muslim, always say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I am Muslim. This is Kalma Shukr. وَلَئِنْ شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ. We should do always shukr, being a Muslim. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase the iman and give us last breath with iman. This is Pak quoted. خَيْرُكُمْ خَيْرُكُمْ الْعَلِي. He is the best among you. Who is the best with his wife? This is anti-Aqidah, like Hinduism. If husband die, the woman has to die in the fire. Jal sati ki rasam. In Islam, no. Islam gives rights to husband and a wife accordingly. He is the best among you. Who is the best with his wife or with her husband? Both ways. Ana khairukum li ahli. I am the best among you. I am very nice, Prophet said to my wife. Now let's check ourselves. Are we nice to our wife? Or are we supervisor? Soon I enter home, my children get scared. Mommy say, Daddy came. Now they keep quiet. Daddy came, some lion came, some bitey dog came. What happened? Daddy came. Children gets. That is not good daddy. That not good husband who enter in the house, the wife don't smile. This is a sign of good behavior, that you are a good husband. But when wife look at you, she smile. When you say something to do, say ji, Hazar, ready, no problem. Not waiting for a while, you ask for tea, no problem. Zawj is a word of Arabic language that we have two parts, husband and wife. The purpose of the marriage, what is the purpose of the marriage? Number one, this is a commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and beloved sunnah of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Number two, the purpose of the marriage is to lead life with taqwa, with fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, not to minimizing the sins. Plus third purpose, to have children, awlad, which is good awlad, good children, they are sadqa-e-jariyah. Lucky are those parents whose children are learning deen and their future become hafiz, alam, qari and ulama. Those parents are very, very lucky. Engineer or doctor, I'm not against the child should become a engineer or doctor, but some doctors don't know how to say Surah Fatiha. Again, I have some ulama hafiz, they are doctor also, engineer also. So therefore, we should be proud that our parents put in the madrasa to learn Quran along with other studies. Congratulations to these children sitting over here as well as to the parents. Plus, letaskunu ilayha, the dry pleasure and peaceful life with the husband or the wife. Now, how to pick up wife? How to pick up wife? Not from school, not from internet. That's very dangerous. From internet you pick up wife, she will not be wife, something else. Understand? Always, dear children, listen carefully. I am married now, I have no other second choice, right? All you, when you become older, go to marriage through your dad and mom. Don't pick up from telephone, not from the school, not from the college. You hearing me? There will be blessing in the marriage conducted by, supervised by dad and mom. Remember me. You are small children. Sheikh Khokar will not be here maybe. There will be barakah. Understand yet? We have a lot of experience. All those marriages which is approved by dad and mom, of course, they should ask you, your permission also. They should not marry you where they want, at least they want your approval also. But that marriage will be full of barakah, full of dua of the daddy and mommy, and a dua of your wife, father and mother. And other base of the marriage is, it is not harm, it is not bad to look at a beautiful woman, beautiful girl, but that is not a criteria. The first thing we have to check, beautiful seerah, good character, good behavior. Let me tell you frankly, if wife is pretty, but she not good behavior, you cannot enjoy the life with her. Because most of the women who are very beautiful, they are also proud of their beauty. They don't know the beauty has been blessed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They not made, the dad did not made her beautiful. So therefore, we should first check before the marriage, advise to the parents, the seerah, the character, the behavior, Islamic behavior of future your wife. सीरत के हम गुलाम हैं, सूरत हुई तो क्या, सीरत के हम गुलाम हैं, सूरत हुई तो क्या, सुर्खो सफ़ेद मट्टी की मूरत हुई तो क्या. Translation. We are slave or we want the good seerah woman, girl, not just face. Oh, subhanallah, if seerah is good and also beautiful, mashallah, you are lucky, fortunate. But primary is the seerah. The girl we pick up, the parents I am talking about, physically and educational wise and the family wise should be very close to each other. Because all those marriages which are conducted under the approval of the dad and mom, they have continuous blessing. No cellular telephone, no cellular telephone pickup. There's a lot of danger. This is a parent duty. When the child becomes adult, they should work on. I will prefer first cousin, the family cousin, family among the family. In American children, this is a wrong notion. This is against Islam. Or don't marry cousin. Why? This medically happens. This is wrong against Islam. You understand? The wrong idea in American children or American wrong idea, don't marry cousin. Because cousin, a relative, we should marry with the relative and we should marry our family friends. Or we know each other. Otherwise, it will become gambling. You are lucky you have good girl. But through the family, nowadays in America, we have like one family, lot of Muslims, lot of boys, lot of girls. So we should pick up from the family or family friends, because it's a whole life matter. It's not one day matter. Why marriage is very important? Number one, before marriage, the boy and a girl, future husband and wife, should learn the masail of the nikah and marriage. We spend lot of time to pick up the hotel. Which hotel will be walima? We spend lot of time. Which hotel will be walima? What food will be served? But we don't pay attention whether the son or boy or husband or wife future, they know the masail of the marriage. To me, I've only we see Maulana on the day of marriage for 1 minute, Kabul, Kabul. Not. Before marriage, the parents' duty, their children before marriage, future husband and wife should learn the masail of the nikah, masail of the marriage. It's very, very important. All these children listening to me. Don't go blind marriage. No good. To spend money on the family, spend money on the wife and children is the best sadaqah. Subhanallah. Allahu Akbar. When you buy grocery for the family, Allah is so merciful. Subhanallah. You will get the ajr and reward of the sadaqah. What I will do if I go to Walmart or other store to buy grocery, something else, I'll make dua. Ya Allah, I'm buying for my family food and the clothing. Please give me sawab of the sadaqah. And this is the best. Prophet said, this is the best sadaqah. Subhanallah. That's what sadaqah does. More you give sadaqah, more your wealth flourish. You become more and more rich. If you do more sadaqah, you want to become rich? Number one, pay the zakat. Pay the zakat. Fix the day, 1st of Ramadan, or any other day, 1st of January. Pay the zakat. You will become rich. Give the sadaqah. You will become rich. Be kind to the poor people. You become rich. Be kind to your especially relative, especially those relatives who are poor. Help them. Let me tell you frankly, if I am rich, you are rich, we are the bank of the poor people. You understand? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made me and you, if we are rich, the bank of the poor people. It's a big test in the life. We should not remain cheap. More we spend, unfik, unfik. If you spend money, Allah will spend money on you, bless you with the money. If the wife is very obedient, So congratulations to the woman. Give me a message. Or the night time you listen my bayan will be on YouTube channel, Sheikh Fakir Muhammad Khokhar. And if husband is happy with the wife at the time of the death, that woman can enter Jannah without account. For a woman, it's very easy to enter Jannah. Just do farais and be kind and sweet and obedient to husband. Lucky are those who have such wives. And congratulations to those, my sisters, who are very kind, obedient to their husband. And they can, inshallah, this is good news by Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. They can enter Jannah any time when they die, right away. Door of Jannah will be open for them. Plus, the marriage completes our iman. The person who got married, if he makes salat, his ajr, reward of the salat is multiplied 21 times, or some narrations say 42 times. Unmarried person make one salat, one. Married person make salat 21 times. More reward. Subhanallah. Because he has a lot of responsibility. When you have wife and children, you have a lot of responsibility. And you are fulfilling those responsibility. And also, you do sajda to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also. Subhanallah. Plus, mentally, with the marriage, mentally, you become very peaceful. Otherwise, unmarried person who is eligible for marriage, he cannot concentrate fully in the salat iman. Subhanallah. The best ornament for the woman is good seerah, good character, good behavior, best in talk, humble, polite to the husband, and always ready to serve the husband and the sweet children. Husn-e Surat Chand Roza, the pretty face is for few days. A young woman look very nice. When after 45, mashallah, face become like a date, you know that. So, therefore, Husn-e Surat Chand Roza, Husn-e Seerat Mustaqil, the best behavior, best character, best seerah, stay until last breath. एक से खुश होती हैं आँखें, दूसरे से खुश होता है दिल. दोबारा सुनिए, शेर तर्जमा कर दूंगा. हुस्न सूरत चंद रोज़ा, हुस्न सूरत सीरत मुस्तकिल. एक से होती हैं आँखें, खुश होती हैं आँखें, दूसरे से खुश होता है दिल. By good, a pretty wife, MashaAllah, your eyes, MashaAllah, become very cool. And his wife is Husn Seerat, good character behavior, your heart is very happy. But lucky at your brother, wife is pretty also, and good seerah also. MashaAllah. Then eyes are enjoying, and also heart is full of pleasure. But let me tell you one thing, please. On listening to the bayan, don't try to get another marriage. No, no, no. What Allah bless you, be contented. Understand? Don't worry. Well, angel or death can come anytime to us. good character, good behavior, good Muslim, we enjoy her ain also. For this woman, the obedient woman to the husband will become the chief of the Hurain, the woman of Jannah, for the husband. For the men, for us, the ticket of Jannah, the permission of Jannah to enter is our parents. If we obey the parents, young people listen carefully. If you obey the parents, you got the ticket of Jannah. And if husband is happy with the wife, that wife got a ticket of Jannah. Women get that ticket of Jannah, mean what? Soon close the eye, Jannah. The ticket of Jannah for the woman, the obedience of the husband. Subhanallah. I wish my sister listening to me. And if you tell them, they will not believe it. Let them listen my bayan, which will be on tonight on YouTube channel. Then they will believe it. Otherwise, no, they don't believe us. You are making story yourself. If you tell this to your wife, Maulana said this, oh, leave Maulana, you are making story. No. So then, the ticket of the Jannah is for the woman is obeying the husband. When you do marriage, it purifies the society. The sins go down, which are committed in the especially youth. Let me tell you one thing more, very interesting. The obedient wife keeps the husband young. Listen carefully. Hazrat, obedient wife will keep you young. And not obedient wife make you old very soon. You hearing me? When husband and wife just discourse, talk with each other in happy mood, that is better than nafli ibadat. You hearing me? Talking sweet to the wife is like a nafli ibadat. But problem is this, in our society, Indian, Pakistan, Bangladesh society, we don't want to talk to husband, to wife sweetly. One brother said, my student, he said, when I talk to my wife sweetly, she asked me money. I okay, give money. So we should be very sweet in talk to each other. This is ibadat. Don't enter home as a supervisor. Listen carefully. Don't become husband as a supervisor. No, you are sweet partner. Understand? When you enter home, the wife should feel very happy from the heart. Understand? And call each other, finally, call each other with a beautiful name. Honey, how are you doing? Why can you do it? Sweet, how are you doing? But we are allergic to that. Why? This is a beautiful sentence. Sometimes tell your wife, honey, I love you. You see her behavior then. Oh, I love from the heart, is okay. But express your love. Let me tell you frankly, she will be more obedient to you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us to become a good, obedient husband. Hey, you will be scared of the word. And let Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless our wife with obedience. Akhir damana and alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Jazakallah khair. Shukran kasira. Make sunnah. Please share this video as a sadaqah jariyah. Jazakallah khair.